What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is super exciting because I'm going to unbox a gadget. This is first unboxing video on my channel, so please like, and if you are new to my channel don't forget to subscribe. Let's unbox the gadget. This is the gadget I was talking about. This is Anycast M100. It shows you the footage in 4K, and it has 2 ARM core and 2.4G single band. The price of this product is $30, and I know it is a bit expensive. You can buy this product from Amazon, and let's open and see what we can find inside. So now we're gonna open it and see. So first you open, you're gonna find this dongle. It is a Anycast dongle, and it's like Amazon Fire Stick, Google Cast. It's like that. So we're gonna take it out. Oh my god, it is stuck. Yep. We're gonna put this on the side, and now we're gonna open it from the top. This is the dongle. So it has a port inside, like a charging port. So you have to put this port in it, and you have to put this port in it, and this thing is a Wi-Fi receiver, and this is a USB to give it power. So now we're gonna go and try this on my TV. So let's go. Now you're gonna go at the back of your TV, and you're gonna take your Anycast dongle and put in one of the HDMI. This is how HDMI look like. I'm gonna put mine in HDMI 1. So if your TV support USB, you can just plug it in how I'm doing, or if it doesn't, you can take your charging adapter and you can plug that in. And for the Wi-Fi receiver, you just gonna leave there. And now we're gonna go and power on the TV, and we're gonna see how it's work. Connected to my TV, so this is how it's look like. It says if you are using an Android, go to your setting and go to smart view, go to screen mirroring, and then to cast. If you are using a Windows device, if you are on Windows 8.1, go to the device to cast. You can download the application for it. And if you are using an iOS, connect to Wi-Fi router on any cast and use AirPlay to cast. And for Mac OS, connect to Wi-Fi router and any cast and use AirPlay to cast. So now I'm gonna go to my phone and cast that. This is my phone. Now we have to go to the setting and search smart view setting, and smart view. It doesn't say here. Let's see if let's scroll up and see if we can find over there. Yep, this is the option smart view. You're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click on Anycast B9F0845. This is my device, so you have to click on it to mirror the cast. And it gonna do is, if you gonna put a video, it gonna mirror cast, it gonna cast your phone to the TV. And if your phone is small, you wanna see the video on the TV, you can also do that. So now I'm gonna click it. So it's connecting, and guys, it is connected. I think for you the screen gonna come black. Now I'm gonna go to the TV and show you. Guys, as you can see, my phone is mirroring to the TV. So now I'm gonna put a music or something, a movies. So, and good thing is, guys, is it also transfer the voice. Music, this one here. So guys, I think it's a good thing. You can also use this for gaming. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe and comment. And don't worry, I have given the link in the description. So I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.